Thank you, Mike. Across the country, different agencies are seeing a dramatic increase in domestic violence abuse as a result of the pandemic. MTN's Annie Johnson tells us the Gallatin County Sheriff's Office is not necessarily seeing a higher number of calls, but what they are seeing is just as alarming.
Domestic violence is a very real problem, and after law enforcement has to get involved, the legal process for many of those cases here in Gallatin County start right here at the Law and Justice Center.
With domestic cases, we haven't really seen a spike in the quantity of cases. What we have seen is an increase in intensity in the domestic calls.
Orders to help stop the coronavirus from spreading, but that may have unintentionally forced victims to spend more time with their abusers.
Isolation is already a tactic of abusers to exert power and control. So when the stay-at-home order happened and already everybody was in isolation, that definitely just is another factor for survivors in those situations.
The virus may not be directly affecting your health, but if domestic violence is, there's help for you that can come in step-by-step guidance.
If they want to reach out and talk to the advocates a little bit more, sometimes safety planning will happen, and they may want to say, I want to get out of this situation, and our survivor advocates can help them with that and help them walk them through the steps of when is a safe time, how can you safely get out of this situation, what are your resources, and just kind of work with them to figure out what is the next solution in this.
Bottom line is victims don't have to stay in harm's way because of the pandemic.
At the end of the day, survivors know their abuser best. I definitely think there's a lot of resources out there, both through Haven and just on the internet, so look through those and find out what elements of a safety plan work best for you.
Reporting in Bozeman, Annie Johnson, MTN News.
There is a confidential shelter located in Bozeman for those who need emergency housing through Haven.